That sounds amazing.
Other use of fillers, so we talked about the tear trough, so filling the hollows under the eyes. You can also use filler in the nose, so you're trying to, if someone's got a humped bridge on the nose, so you want to create a nice straight flat bridge to the nose, you can fill the deeper areas with filler so it all looks flat.
And I suppose if they've got like maybe a slightly wonky nose, if they've broken it, could you...
So it's more sort of, say if they have a hooked nose, so the tip of the nose is downwards, you can create a lift, so nice a lift on the nose. If it's a very long nose, you can shorten it by putting a filler into the sort of bridge of the nose.
Oh right, yeah.
So it was very much shorten the length of the nose as well. So you can get almost in the right candidate. It's not right for everyone, purely because you have to have a certain nose to begin with to get the final result. But it can look as good as a surgical rhinoplasty, which is almost 10 times more expensive.
A
lot more painful.
A lot more painful,
Finally, sort of other areas of fillers would be sort of the jawline and the chin. So a lot of people, if you have a look from the side of their face, they might have a receded chin. It essentially gives their sort of bottom lip and also their whole jawline that sort of look where the top teeth are far over in front of the bottom teeth. So by putting filler into the chin, you can actually make the chin come forwards, so that when you look from the side, the nose doesn't look as big because the way the whole facial profile is now balanced. The nose looks smaller as an optical illusion almost. And also their chin, you can make a more a pointy feminine chin, or for men you can make a more square chin. So you can masculinise someone or feminise someone based on the correct use of filler. So you can create a really nice jawline, a manly jawline if you wanted to. Someone like you can almost a George Clooney jawline if you wanted to, with filler.
Do you get a lot of men as well? Or?
It's very popular in London for men to get jawline fillers. It's really popular. I think the trend is that everything starts in London and then migrates north.
And then it slowly
reaches. Exactly. So,
and I think most people aren't aware of what they can get done. They might look at their jaw, but they don't know they can do something about it.
No idea. Absolutely.
So it's just educating.
And like finally, the last area you can get fillers is the back of the hands. So
that's good, because I thought that was just somewhere that you couldn't.
No, exactly.
Because it's the one that gives it away. Especially like back in the day, you used to get them with celebrities was still really smooth, and then they'd be like, oh, and you're like, whoa.
That's a good way.
Keep your hands and wear gloves.
So absolutely. So with the back of the hand, you're going to get ageing where you get vascular prominence, you see more veins, and you see more tendons, and you get dryness of the skin, thinning of the skin. So the hand can look quite tired and aged. So even if you've had all the treatments done in the face, they might look really young in the face. As soon as you see the hands, it's a dead giveaway. So recently, hand fillers are sort of gaining in popularity, where you put it's a different type of filler you use. It's called triphasic filler, and rather than using typical hyaluronic acid, it uses something called calcium hydroxyapatite, where it's very thick outside the body. As you inject it into the hand, it becomes, with the heat of the person, it becomes very soft, so you can massage and mould it into the hands.
Good. I suppose it needs a lot of movement, doesn't it?
It does, so the back of the hand then becomes very much almost like a baby's back of the hand. You can't see anything. It looks really, really good.
I'm going to be coming back to you.
It looks amazing. It looks very much smooth. Obviously it's a nightmare for me as a doctor, because if I had to put a cannula in someone or a little drip in the back of the hand, I wouldn't be able to find a vein.
Oh yeah! That's true.
Challenge.
You'll see them there and it's like, why was I so good?
So true. So true. But that's
really good.
Yeah.
So with Botox treatments, we have like the common areas, which are the 3 areas that most people get done, which are the glabella, which is one area here, and that's consisting of 5 injections, and that's just to paralyse the muscles around this area. What called the 11s, basically. What a lot of people come and say, oh, I hate my frown lines.
Because it is like a preventative, but then it does smooth it as well, doesn't it?
It does, but like we say, there's either dynamic lines or static lines. Static lines are ones that are there when you've got no expression, when you're just walking around normally and you look a bit grumpy or you look tired, and the dynamic lines are the ones that we want to prevent, so they normally turn into static lines. So the Botox will then prevent the dynamic lines, which will then prevent static lines. So like we always say, the younger the better. The last wrinkle is the one you never get, so if you get it younger you won't get those lines.
What sort of, do you have like an age that you would? kind of suggest. I suppose it really depends because everyone's skin's different.
Everyone's
isn't it?
different.
Yeah, and everyone moves their face to make different expressions. So you see some people that come in and they have that vertical line in the middle of their brows very early on because they've always been crossed. Generally, it's teachers.
I'm not surprised you can't blame them.
They're always crossed with the children, and they always have the line. But
we can obviously use the Botox. It will help soften it, but it won't completely make it disappear.
So then you'd have to do the filler, I suppose, if it's a really. Would you?
With the frown line, it's very difficult. Some people do feel that. We don't feel that
don't
area.
You? No.
There's lots of vessels around there. The risk of causing a damage to an artery is quite high, which can lead to quite significant bad events occurring.
So you do what you can to soften it with Botox.
Yeah, we do Botox.
And it does give quite good results.
It does. It's just
really
deep lines that we can't completely, but it does soften them a lot. So that will be classed as like one area, and then the second area that we tend to do is the forehead line. So the lines get across horizontally across the forehead. So we do 4 injections just at the top of the forehead. That's classed as the second area. And then we've got crow's feet. So we do 3 injections just surrounding the eyes, the outer eyes, and that's just to prevent any of those smile lines that you get on the side. And then, like we said, our brow lift Botox, that's quite popular as well, just under the brow, so you can create two looks. An arched brow, so that's to get more definition on your arch, or you can get like the tip lift, which is just,
that's good.
So you just inject a little bit. Make it a bit more like that.
Oh, nice.
So you can either get that done, you can get both of them done together. I get a lot of clients asking for both of them together as well. So that's sort of like the upper face Botox that we tend to do. And then we also do things like bunny lines. So when people smile, they tend to get like the little pieces on the So we call them bunny lines, and we just inject some Botox there. Then again, relaxes that, so you don't get that. We've also got jawline slimming with the Botox, so like we said before, injecting Botox into the masseter muscle just to sort of like slim down the jawline, and that's quite popular with like cheekbone fillers, because that's when you get the proper feminization package. You get the high arch cheekbones with a slim jawline, so that can be done as well. And the other quite popular one is like a neck lift, so injecting Botox into the neck, and what that does, it paralyses this muscle, which tends to pull the face down, the skin down, and to paralyse that you'll just get a lift, so it's like having a bit of a facelift, so that's quite popular. Summer season, like springtime, summertime, we get Botox into the armpit to prevent sweating.
That's really clever.
So that's quite a popular one with the season, and that tends to last about 6 to 8 months.
Pretty much season through to the following year.
That's really good.
And I think that's the best use of Botox, because you won't sweat a drop. Basically,
that's amazing.
It's a huge reduction. 90% reduction in sweat. So you could go exercise and that area in the armpits you wouldn't sweat at all. And then people always worry, does that mean I'll sweat more elsewhere? It doesn't. You don't rebound sweat, and if anything, it doesn't. When it wears off, you don't sweat worse.
That's amazing, because that can be a huge concern for people.
Absolutely, Exactly. Some people just go through suffering with it. And
I didn't realise.
It used to be available on the NHS as a treatment.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, but it's not funded anymore. It's very difficult to get funding for, so it's become very much the private sector now.
That's a really good one though, isn't it?
Especially for events like weddings and stuff.
It's true. It's very popular with the banking crowd in London, because they wear very expensive shirts. And
they wear lovely shirts. You see them on TV sometimes, you're like, oh dear. Don't drama again.
So it works wonders. Works really good.
That's a good tip. Definitely.
Other more sort of unusual areas of Botox can be Botox in the chin. So if someone's got very much a sort of a bum chin or a dimpled chin, and they want to relax that, you can put Botox into the chin. Or if they got that sort of curved up chin, as you get older, you get a very nice deep groove in the chin here. You can relax that and get a more pointy chin from that using Botox.
That's good.
So that works really well. You can also put Botox, for example, some people when they smile, you see a lot of gum line on the upper lip. So to stop them seeing that, to eliminate the gummy smile, you can put a little bit of Botox just by the noses here, and you're relaxing a muscle that's lifting the upper lip up too high. So it drops that lip down a little bit, so when they do smile, you don't see any gum. You don't see any gum at all. So it looks really good that way.
That's an amazing tip too.
And then finally you can also use Botox into so just under the corners of the mouth. So some people have a downturned corners of the mouth. So as you age, you sort of get sort of.
Oh, yeah. And then it's so everyone's like smile, love.
Smile more.
You're like, oh.
And it's just the way the resting face is. It's just not. They're not miserable.
That'd be
it relaxes the muscle that's pulling
that
down. So the muscle that's lifting up then obviously gives them that sort of lift in the mouth, so they look more naturally happier, more smiley in general. So
resting face.
Yeah, exactly.
It's nothing more annoying when people say that to you.
I know, it's so true. It's so true.
Oh, so that's good.
Yeah, definitely.
So it really wonders.
Oh, brilliant. That's amazing. To finish off, could you let the people know where your clinics are?
Absolutely. So currently we're based in Coventry and also Wolverhampton. We've got a clinic very soon coming up, hopefully later in the next few weeks in Leicester. And then also in the new year we should have a clinic in Jewellery Quarters in Birmingham.
Jewellery Quarters,
We're quite branched out now, so we run clinics, obviously we both have full-time jobs, so we still work for the NHS, but we have most of our clinics are sort of Saturday, Sundays where people are off work and they're available.
So it works out better for people. Do you ever do evenings?
We do evenings and weekday clinics on occasions. We do as well, and we're looking to branch out and do more essentially become available more often. So as well, we're available almost every weekend, but soon hopefully we'll be available during the week as well.
Oh, that'd be good.
Looking at that, and to find out details of where our clinics are based or locations, you can go onto our website, which is tiaraclinics.com. So that's up and running. That's got all the information about what we've talked about today, like treatments, price list, and before and after images as well. That's all on our website. You can follow us on social media, so we've got a Facebook page and Instagram and Twitter, and that's tiara.aesthetics, so you can follow us on that, and that shows a lot of our work and what we're up to. We like to talk a lot about our treatments on there as well.
You've got amazing before and afters, which I love to see.
We post quite regularly, almost every few days.
I love those.
And we like hearing back from our clients as well, so we've got some reviews on there, we take bookings on there as well, direct messages on there. And we've also got like contact number on there as well, so if you do want to drop in, then you can just give us a call.
And we've also always got really good offers running on our social media pages, so Instagram and Facebook. You just have a look on there and you always see whatever offers we have at the time.
So that's good.
We've got really good Christmas offers, which is
have you?
We're knocking down the prices, but
Oh, amazing. Oh, well, definitely. I'll put a link to all of the places you can find these amazing guys. But thank you so much for watching, and please just comment and let us know if there's anything else that we haven't covered you maybe want to see. Also let us know if you want to see some of these treatments in action, and we'll definitely set up some demos.
Great.
Thank you so much for answering all these questions. It's been amazing.
It's been a pleasure. Great.
Oh, thank you. See you soon. Bye.